On every difficult, stressful test this year, I was like, look on the bright side. If I don't do well, at least I won't have to speak at graduation. Unfortunately, my plan did not work, so I am here to speak to you all today. Of course, I'm happy for this honor and opportunity to speak to you. It is, though, my 7th speech since the beginning of April, and I really thought I was done after finals. But as I said, I'm happy to have the opportunity to talk about some of the things that I love the most about Benedictine College. Now, I know that there are fantastic professors and programs all over this campus, but as Dean Shankman said, I am a biology major with a chemistry minor, so I know Westerman the best. In fact, I've always wanted one of those shirts that the engineers had a few years ago that they said Westerman, but then it was crossed out and instead it just said home. Because really, Westerman has been home for 4 years. Even if, with the construction this year, it's been a little rough, especially when they killed our lab animals. But hopefully we are building towards something better. In Westerman, I've gotten to know so many fantastic professors, from Dr. Sutton, whose biochemistry class I have heard from a current med student makes medical school look easy, to Dr. Richard, whose cheerfulness just made my day every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday of sophomore year. Of course, there's also the head of my own department, Dr. Malloy, who's actually the one who convinced me to come here 4 years ago, when he told me that here at Benedictine College, we don't just study science, we go out and we do science. And that's exactly what I've done for the last 4 years. Admittedly, that day in the creek in ecology class did give me walking pneumonia. But the research has also given me this wonderful fellowship that Dean Shankman mentioned and will fund my PhD work. So on the whole, it probably evens out. But really, this is such a strength of our science departments and of our school. Of course, these are only a few of the people that make our college so wonderful. I've made fantastic friends among many of the students. And in fact, in something that I thought was really typical of Benedictine College, the other night I was involved in a 3-hour conversation between a philosophy major, a psychology major, a computer science major, and 2 biology majors about the intelligence of animals, humans, and computers, and what it even means, for 3 hours. And it was actually fun. So I know you probably think I'm crazy after just saying that, but really, I'm so glad that 4 years ago, Dr. Malloy convinced me to come to Benedictine College. I've appreciated the academics, the friends, and also the faith that so many of us share. Of course, surrounded by it, like we are here, there is always the danger of taking our faith for granted, but I loved, even just yesterday, being able to attend the baccalaureate mass surrounded by those I've spent these 4 years with, both my friends and my professors. So, despite the MTP gas explosion evacuation, the power outages in Westerman, and that weird blue macaroni and cheese in the caf, I have loved it here. So thank you all for making this a wonderful 4 years.